Organizing your presentation. Identifying the goal. Hello learners, welcome back to our series on improving public speaking and presentation skills. Today we're going to discuss an essential aspect of preparation, identifying the goal of your presentation. Remember, clarity of purpose is the cornerstone of any successful presentation. Before you start organizing your thoughts and ideas into a presentation, it's crucial to identify its goal. Knowing your goal provides a clear direction for your content and helps you stay focused throughout the presentation. It also ensures that your audience walks away with the message or knowledge you intended to deliver. When we talk about the goal of a presentation, it could be one or more of the following. 1. Informative. The goal here is to share knowledge or information with your audience. 2. Persuasive. These presentations aim to convince the audience about a particular viewpoint. 3. Instructional. The goal of such presentations is to teach or guide the audience on how to do something. 4. Inspirational. Such presentations aim to motivate and inspire the audience. Remember, your presentation can have more than one goal. You might want to inform and persuade, or instruct and inspire. Now, let's learn how to identify the goal of your presentation. Here are some key steps. 1. Understand your audience. Knowing who your audience is and what they expect can help you decide on the goal of your presentation. 2. Understand the context. What is the occasion? What is the topic? The context often determines the purpose of your presentation. 3. Ask yourself, what do I want my audience to do, think, or feel after my presentation? The answer to this question often reveals the goal of your presentation. That's all for today's lesson, learners. Remember, before you dive into preparing your presentation, take a moment to identify its goal. Knowing the purpose of your presentation will help guide your content and keep your audience engaged. I hope you found this video helpful. See you next time for more insights into effective public speaking and presentations. Keep practicing, and happy learning!